What's up guys, today I am going to show on best motorcycle modifications and repairs from AliExpress in this year. Some of the dream parts and desired modifications can have an intimidating price tag, especially when the rider in question has spent most of their funds on purchasing the bike itself. What motorcyclists need is a set of affordable, well-built, and beneficial upgrades that will not only increase performance, but looks and zest as well. In this regard, here is a list of 15 cheap motorcycle modifications that are sure to turn some heads. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell and comment my video. Let's go. Number 15. Windscreen Windshield for Harley FXST Softail 0511 FXST B0009 FXST C0710 FXST D0107 Blackline 1113 FXD B0619 FXDL 9618. Features of this product: 1. Improve the aerodynamics of your motorcycle and deflect more wind to provide relaxing and safe ride for driver. 2. Enhancing the design of your motorcycle. 3. Aftermarket parts for modify use. 4. Easy to install, without instructions. Specifics condition: 100% brand new material, ABS plastic placement on vehicle, front transparency black/smoke, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 14, for KTM Duke 790 seat cover rear pillion passenger hard solo seat cowl hump fairing moto parts accessories. Duke 790. Features of this product: brand name, column width, 30.8 cm. Model name, 4201820192020 KTM Duke 790. Item height, 2 cm. Item length, 42.5 cm. Material type, ABS plastic. Motorbike make, Item type, covers and ornamental moldings. Item weight, 1.16 kg. Condition, new color, orange black white carbon fiber fitment. For KTM Duke 790 2018-2020 custom label, 2042-22 model. For KTM Duke 790 seat cover Model 2. For KTM Duke 790 seat cowl Model 3. For KTM Duke 790 hump Model 4. For KTM Duke 790 accessories Model 5. For KTM Duke 790 parts Model 6. Motorcycle accessories, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 13. Universal CNC motorcycle mirrors 8mm 10mm black rear view handlebar side mirror for KTM LC. For KTM 125 Duke motorbike accessories. Features of this product: 100% brand new aftermarket mirrors. Fitment: universal fits for motorcycle with 8mm 10mm thread screws hole, such as for Honda, Suzuki, Yamaha, Kawasaki, KTM. Material: T6063 CNC aluminum screw diameter, 8mm and 10mm. Mirror glass, white, high quality and easy to install. The mirror can rotate 360 degrees, casual style. Instructions not included, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 12. Cafe Racer motorcycle short passenger sissy bar backrest fit for Harley Sportster XL Iron Nitzer 883120004848. Features of this product: classic styled, one-piece sissy bar mounts to outside of fender rails for simple install. 100% brand new high-quality aftermarket. Its stylish design is perfect to decorate your motorcycle. Easy install. No installation instruction. Material: steel metal. Color: black, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 11 is motorcycle short front fender and mud guards for XL 1200X Sportster 48 model 2010-2017 Cafe Racer splash guard mud guards. Features of this product: this short front fender give your bike a custom look that get even better. Great for solo seat bobber, chopper and Cafe Racer applications. Lightweight and easy to install. Outstanding look and long-lasting for using. Fitment: for 2010-2017 48 model. Specification: condition: 100% brand new. Color: black. Size LWH, 36x16.8 cm/14.1x6.29x3.15 inch. Material: steel, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is Number 10 is new 2018 motorcycle accessories ABS windshield windscreen visor for Honda CBR 650F CBR 650F 2014 to 2018 multiple color. Features of this product: high quality and 100% brand new color: black, red, blue, white, titanium. Quantity: 1 pieces. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 9. Motorcycle rear tire hugger fender mudguard for Kawasaki Versys 650 Versys 650 Cool 650. Features of this product: this ABS plastic mudguard keeps your tail tidy and prevents damage caused by road and trail debris. Description: condition: brand new, high quality material, ABS plastic color, black package include: 1 piece with mounting accessories. Item is easy to install without instructions, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 8. Motorcycle black engine lifter tappet push rod cover block for Harley 1999 to 2017 twin cam Softail Dynaglide. Features of this product: gloss black finish, can be installed on engines already equipped with adjustable push rods or can be installed by removing rocker box covers, rocker arms, and non-adjustable push rods compatible with adjustable push rods. High class quality and very durable. Specification: condition: 100% brand new type, push rod and tappet cover kit material, CNC aluminum color, gloss black size, as picture shown. Warranty: 1 year limited warranty. Package included: 1 set of push rod and tappet cover kit. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 7. Stator clutch engine case covers guard slider crash protector for Yamaha Moto 7 MT-07 FZ07 XSR 700 Tracer 700 FJ07 10-year 700. Features of this product: condition: 100% brand new, never mounted and high quality, easy to install material, CNC machined from 6063 D6 billet aluminum of bracket base part, with pop pad on the top. All the bolts are made of stainless steel SUS 304, durable and no rust, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 6. Universal motorcycle indicator 10mm rear view side mirrors integrated LED turn signals fit for street bikes, cruiser, scooters. Features of this product: 100% brand new and high quality, easy to install and convenient to carry, suitable for fixing the rear view mirrors of bikes, motorcycles, scooters and electric vehicles. Color: black glass, clear screw diameter, 10mm materials, high impact ABS shell with aluminum shaft function, adjustable mirror angle plus integrated turn signal. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 5. For Yamaha Max 530 Max 530 SX DX 2017 2018 2019 T-Max CNC motorcycle accessories chain guard chain belt cover protector. Features of this product: motorcycle accessories belt guard cover protector for Yamaha Max 530 DX T-Max 530 SX DX 2017 2018 2019. Material: CNC aluminum 6061 anodized, color black, red silver gold blue. Fitment for Yamaha T-Max 530 SX DX 2017 2018 2019. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 4. For Vespa GTS scooter aluminum helmet lock hooks crochet GTS 300 GTV 300 motorbike accessories Gangcho para casco de moto. Features of this product: condition: brand new, color black, red, gray packaging: 1 PC helmet hooks fitment for Vespa GTS 300. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 3. Motorcycle aluminum alloy 7/8 22mm handlebar drag straight bar custom handlebar for BMW, KTM, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, Kawasaki. Features of this product: 100% brand new, no instruction. Quantity: 1 pieces. Color: gray/silver/black. Material: aluminum alloy. Size as picture shown: 7/8 inch, 22mm style gray/chrome/black handlebars features early chopper styling. Motorcycle handlebars are often changed out to enhance rider comfort as well as the look of the bike. Our handlebars are special designed to comfortably fit the average rider, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 2. Left-right side panel frame fairing mid-side fairing head instrument shell head lighthouse for Yamaha XJ62009201020112. Features of this product: condition: automatic injection molding holes and tabs are built into the mold and aligned to factory settings, fully compatible and interchangeable with OEM fairings pieces: according to your choice part name. Motorcycle fairing bodywork set color: unpainted, as the pictures. Material: high quality ABS plastic installation: highly recommend installed by professional. Fitment: for a Yamaha XJ6 2009-2012, easy to install. No installation instructions, photos, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 1. Motorcycle windshield wind deflector windscreen for Harley Dynasoft Fat Bob FXDF Wide Glide FX DWG FX DB Street Bob 2006 to 2019. Features of this product: made of high quality material, makes the product more environmentally friendly and durable, and has a long service life. Easy to assemble and disassemble, standardized design, strong connection, not easy to lose. Reduce wind speed and airflow for a more comfortable ride. Protect motorcycle rider from the wind, thrown up rocks, and debris. Easy to install and no complicated procedure needed, so this is the best option for you to buy. Thanks for watching this video. If you had not seen my other videos, you should to look, and please subscribe my channel, because in future there will lots of collection of products. Thank you.